Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aldo, and for today's episode, I am going to show you how to alter your clothes without using a sewing machine to make it fit a little bit better. I bought this outfit a few weeks ago and I wasn't able to wear it because they are just a tad big on me. As you can see, the armholes are just way too big. So if I put it on, like you will see the whole side of my body right here. And for the skirt, as you can see, it is a little tad big on the waistline. And since the fabric is a little stretchy, I am just going to kind of take it in from the sides of the skirt. I will probably have to take it in about 1/2 inch on both sides of the skirt. If you don't have a mannequin, you can easily put on the blouse and just kind of pin it while you're wearing it. I am simply going to pinch the side seam as close to the side of the mannequin, just like this, and I'm going to pin it to secure. And I don't want to make it super tight because the idea of this blouse is a little flowy, so if I pin it super tight, I am going to lose that shape, that flowiness on the fabric. I will repeat the same process on the other side of the blouse. Now I'm just going to measure the side seams of the blouse just to make sure that it's going to be symmetrical. After that, we are ready to hand stitch the side seams. And then I'm just going to hand stitch it starting from the waistline going up to the new underarm seam. So obviously if you are going to hand stitch it, it's going to take some time. So it took me about 5 minutes to finish one side seam. After I stitch the side seam, it should look something like this. And now you can trim the excess fabric. Now it's time to work on the skirt. Luckily, this skirt doesn't have any zipper or pockets on the side, so I can easily take it in from the sides. I'm going to start hand stitching on the original side seam, going up in a slanted way. Ideally, you will use a matching thread, but for the sake of this video, I am going to be using a different color so you can see what I'm doing. I will do the same thing onto the other side seam, and this alteration is done. This is the before and after. As you can see, the before was a little baggy, now it's much more fitted. Armholes are just the right size, they're not super big anymore. The skirt is a lot better fit on the waistline. You can't really tell the difference, but it is a little smaller. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye!